Hello friends, welcome back to our channel.
This place is huge. Today we are finally exploring the world famous Ramoji Film City in Hyderabad. And honestly, this already feels like entering a real movie world. From massive film sets and cinematic streets to live shows and beautiful attractions, everything here looks unreal.
So let's dive into today's video.
So after entering Ramoji Film City, we boarded one of the shuttle buses that takes visitors from the ticket area to the main film city attractions. And honestly, this is where the real journey inside Ramoji Film City actually begins. We had booked our tickets online from official Ramoji Film City website. There are different ticket categories available, but we chose the Studio Tour package, which cost around 1,450 plus GST for adults. And since Ramoji Film City is located quite far from the main city, planning your transfer properly is really important. As we started the shuttle bus journey, we slowly began to realize how massive this place actually is. Spread across more than 1,000 acres, Ramoji Film City is known as the world's largest integrated film city. Over the years, many famous Indian movies have been shot here, including Bahubali, Chennai Express, Pushpa, Krish, and several Bollywood, Telugu, Tamil and Malayalam films. What makes this place really special is that it's not just a film studio, it's like an entire movie world built inside one destination. Even during this bus journey, everything around us looked cinematic. Beautiful roads, colorful flowers, massive buildings, perfectly designed streets that already felt like movie sets. And we were welcomed with amazing dance live performance on famous movie songs. The energy, music and performance instantly made the whole atmosphere feel super exciting. And honestly, watching the performance, listening to the music, seeing everyone around enjoying themselves made the experience feel more special, truly cinematic. So we have reached here and the welcome show has already started. Let's go and enjoy the performance. After the stage performance, we are now getting into the bus to continue exploring the film city. This bus ride is actually part of Studio Tour, where we get to see different movie sets and famous shooting locations inside Ramoji Film City. So now we are starting the Studio Bus tour. Our guide was explaining the different movie sets and attractions during the ride. This tour actually gives a really good overview of how huge Ramoji Film City is. So let's enjoy the tour and explore the film city together.
Look at your right hand side, everyone. Your tour starting ending point. And look at that blue color face corner. Fundistan. Fundistan is a children's attraction. And Fundistan there is a mini adventure land, rain dance, circus show and Borasura. Left hand side blue color wall, Ramoji Movie Magic. In Ramoji Movie Magic, 3 attractions and 1 show. Action theatre, Filmi Dunia, Space Yatra, Lights, Camera Action Show, all indoor shows only. And again left hand side on the wall, there is a certificate, Guinness World Record certificate. In 2006, Film City was recognized by the Guinness World Record for being the largest film studio complex in the world. Look at your right hand side. 2-in-1 garden. Outside structure it will look like a Delhi's Mughal garden. Inside structure Mysore Brindavan garden. Hindi movie Jodha Akbar. Tamil movie PS1 Ponniyin Selvan. Telugu movie Raja Mannaravana song. Left hand side again. Sierra group songs and romantic songs. Hindi movie Dr. Picture Ola song was shot here. Telugu movie July Omadu Omadu का last climax church scene. Telugu movie Rajasthani theme Hava Mahal. Hindi movie Ayya Dream Victim song Chand Chupa Badal. Telugu movies Suswagatam Yesuk Mulokala Saundaryasi song lo చూడొచ్చు. Again right hand side Charishma Garden. This round shaped garden is having a specialty. According to the heroine saree colors in the movie, they will plant original flowers only before 2 months of shootings. For example, director wants a heroine is wearing red color saree means red color flowers, blue saree. College and school entry scene shootings in the movies. Left hand side yellow color building. This is called Maya Lok. Inside there is a show. After Hava Mahal dropping, you all need to come down to the Maya Lok building. And after Maya Lok, this red wall is a Japanese garden. So Hava Mahal dropping, Maya Lok and Japanese garden 3 are walkable distance only. And after Japanese garden, right side there is a bus stop here. So from here, you all will start your echo tour. Echo are the flexible houses. First house you can see in the Ega movie, Villain House. Middle one, Dilwale movie, Kajol Bulgaria House. And this first one, Telugu movie, Attar Intiki Daredi. So flexible houses means front side they will shoot like a heroine house, back side hero house, one side is a villain, one side is a comedian. In graphics they will show 4 different houses. So you can see every house is having a 4 entries, front, back, left and right. And this is the front side view of the flexible houses. So now we are going to see all North Indian locations like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata like that. Right, so this is all North Indian location. You can see this location recently Thunder movie. Gurtunte Thunder movie lo valli Pakistan ki vellinaka Pakistani scenes were shot inside this North Indian location. And the Laila movie. Look at your left hand side, there is a white color one, Gurudwara. If the fully painted white color Gurudwara, gold paint means golden temple. Rabni banate chhodi was shot. Right hand side blue color house, Gangubai Kathiawadi, Bollywood movie. And you can see this full location in the recent Bollywood super hit movie Chava, fast fighting scene. Back side నుంచి ఫ్రంట్ మొత్తం లొకేషన్ చూసుకుంటే చావా మూవీ చూడొచ్చు. అండ్ తండేల్ మూవీ, మలయాళం సిఐడి ముఫసా, కన్నడ ఆర్టీ రాజా, తెలుగు మూవీస్ తండేల్ ఆర్ఆర్ఆర్ అండ్ ఎన్టీఆర్ మెకానికల్ షెడ్ సీన్స్ కూడా ఇక్కడ షూట్ చేశారు. రైట్ సైడ్ these are the Kolkata shopping complex. You can see this particular shutter ones in the Tamil movie Viswasam. అందులో చిన్న పాప ఉంటుంది, తను హైట్ చేసుకునే సీన్స్ ఉంటాయి. రైట్ సైడ్ తెలుగు మూవీ శ్రీమంతుడు హాస్టల్ లాగా చూపిస్తారు, గ్రీన్ కలర్. రామ్ సింగరాయ్ మూవీ, సింఘం రిటర్న్స్, దబాంగ్ మూవీ, తెలుగు ఓల్డ్ మూవీ చిరంజీవి సార్ అండ్ సౌందర్యమ మూవీ చూడొచ్చు. హౌసెస్ కనబడతాయి. And flexible houses. Central jail only from outside. Inside there is a beauty parlor set up 2 in 1 building. So now we have completed a north location. Now we are going to the south location. North అయిపోయింది, so south. Hindi movie Badi Miyan Chote Miyan, Mumbai Chor Bazaar scenes. Maybe Mad 2 movie చూసినట్టయితే Mad 2 మూవీలో సెకండ్ పార్ట్ గోవా చేసింగ్ సీన్స్ ఉంటాయి. వాళ్ళు వ్యాన్ వెనకాల దాక్కుంటారు కదా, ఆ సీన్స్ ఇక్కడ షూట్ చేస్తారు. అండ్ పుష్ప 2 మూవీ, పుష్ప సాంగ్, లక్కీ భాస్కర్ మూవీ అండ్ గబ్బర్ సింగ్ మూవీ, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ సార్ ఆకాశం అమ్మాయితే సాంగ్, మార్కెట్ యార్డ్, వర్షం, ప్రభాస్ పెట్రోల్ బంక్ సీన్స్ అక్కడ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ అమదుంగ మూవీ ఎన్టీఆర్ ఫైటింగ్ సీన్, ఫేమస్ అంతాక్షరి సీన్స్ ఉంటాయి, పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ ఏదో చూపిస్తారు. So now we are going to see a village location. Chennai Express, Meenammas village, Shah Rukh Khan sa movie, Chennai Express. Left hand side, white color house, Dilwale movie, Shah Rukh Khan sa garage house. So again left hand side only there is a yellow color Mandua house, old Telugu movie Sri Ramadasu Nagarjuna sir house, Chennai Express, Meenamma house and Chandramukhi movie, Gulashekar dance master house. Chandramukhi building వేరే చోట ఉంటుంది. But movies లో రెండు ఎదురెదురుగా ఉన్నట్టు చూపిస్తారు. Look at your both sides. This is called village location, Chennai Express, Neenamma village, and also Bahubali Part 1. There's a tax collection scene in the Bahubali Part movie village scene. Arundhati movie right side a blue color house చూడొచ్చు. And Pushpa RRR village scenes and Mahanati movie. And one more interesting thing, those houses are in any kind of rooms, only for an outside shooting purpose. బయట షూట్ చేసుకోవడానికి మొత్తం లోపలికి వెళ్తే డైరెక్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఎంట్రన్స్ కి వెళ్తుంది. And second building is a ETV Telugu news channel. Third pink and white building, Vishnu Kiran movies, Privately 2. After the construction, first Telugu movie 1996, Ma Naanaku Pelli, Srikanth movie, Hindi movie, Badi Miya Chote Miya, Hollywood movie, Nightfall and Crocodile, Kannada movie, Sparsha, Tamil movie, Kondatam, Malayalam movie, Patram. 1990 started. Central. So no one is excited. Everyone experience చేశారు. ఎవరంత excitement feel అవ్వట్లేదు సెంట్రల్ చేయాలంటే. This is silent. You're not excited at all. Hindi movies, Singham Returns, Rockstar was shot here. Tamil movies, Master, Jailer, Malayalam, Drishyam, Telugu movies, Pushpa, RRR, Kaidi number 150, Jatiratnalu, DJ Tindu, Nene Raju, Nene Mantri, Bad 2 and Pandel movie. Look at your friend side blue color building. Terina movie, Salman Khan Mental Hospital.
Salman Khan.
And left hand side, Drishyam movie ka police station, dead body hiding scene, police interrogation scene. Look at your right hand side. Pushpa 2 central jail only for outside structure, and also this structure you can see in the Nene Raju Nene Mantri movie, Jogendra song. Sahas Adventureland. In Sahas Adventureland there's also 2 complimentary rides, 2 free rides, sumo fight and happy hits. And except those floor means big shooting floor. రీసెంట్ తెలుగు మూవీ మట్కా వరుణ్ తేజ్ మూవీ చూస్తే గుర్తుంటుంది. క్లబ్ సెటప్ ఉంటుంది. నోరా ఫతేహ్ ఐటమ్ సాంగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ దర్ ఇస్ అ క్లబ్ సెటప్. ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ మూవీ. అండ్ నాన్ ఏసీ. బాహుబలి పార్ట్ 1 famous waterfall scene is there, part 1 and part 2. That waterfall scene was shot inside these floors with a green mat. And the green mat Bhagavatham Set, it a mythological set. You all should go inside the Bhagavatham Set. After Bhagavatham backside railway station exit, second bus to the Bahubali.
And this is our first stop, the famous Bhagavatham Set. A lot of visitors were exploring this area and taking pictures here. With this grand Darbar hall setup and detailed architecture, the whole place looked like a scene straight out of a mythological movie. So with the beautiful Bhagavatham set, we come to the end of part 1 of our Ramoji Film City journey. There's still so much more waiting to be explored here. In the next parts, we'll be visiting the famous Bahubali shooting location, live performances, stunt shows, bird park, theme gardens and many more exciting attractions. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more travel vlogs and fun experiences. See you in the next part. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye.